in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 11, reformulated poetically. In the Lord, my soul finds refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For behold, the wicked bend their bows. They set their arrows on the strings to shoot from the shadow set the upright in heart. When foundations crumble, what can the righteous do? But the Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord's throne is in heaven. His eyes observe. His gaze examines the sons of men. The Lord tests the righteous and the wicked. His soul hates the lover of violence. Upon the wicked he will rain fiery coals and burning sulfur. A scorching wind will be their portion. For the Lord is righteous. He loves justice. The upright will see his face in his presence, finding their sanctuary. In his gaze, discovering eternal peace.